My balls make niggas go, woo! That little nigga, there's the truth.
Yeah. I just woke up this morning. Decided to have a little bit of fun. Fuck it. About to turn up. We out here. Greenwood. Pro9 representative. Midwest Money. Shout out my nigga Cadence. Jesus. I got old money, party like a Black Panther. Your main chick too busy to give a man an answer. Relationship cancer, I kill a bitch slow. I got green blow, glow like the Green Lantern. Everything I do right, I guess I can't turn. House fire survivor, I'm so hot, I can't burn. Hoes in the sea, but even Lawrence know the fish burn. I'm the one, I'm sorry, but I ain't got time to switch turns. My bitch ass fat, been fucking, now I hit sperm. The shit I spit hot enough to make a fan lip burn. Yo, bitch love to confirm the arrival to arrival in a husband, a daddy, America's top idol. But the way I spit, you think I had my hand on the Bible? Fuck being the best, I never die behind nobody title. Before I sell my soul, I'm on the ground with Michael. Tracks RIP, like I done died with my idol. There's a million words in a slideshow, but you can't fuck with me, are the only ones that I know. Shout out to the boys in the hood, I'm Trey. I'm doing it for Ricky and for those who never play. I'ma make it one day, oh here sit and learn. Cause before I had my pops, it was Lawrence Fishburne. I was told by the one that I was Lawrence Fishburne. Smoking OG so much, like a biker boy, yeah that shit burn. Smash out, ready boy, I'm Lawrence Fishburne. I'm so mannish, I walk up in the room, they can't stand it. Granted, I've been the same far away from the planet. Now my sex do damage, getting head, cabbage, beating pussies like Savage Lavish. Posted on the screen, Facebook status. Bitches wanna text us like the Mavericks, watching us in Dallas. Yeah, yo. My bitches in beauty pageants and come in twos. I've been ready, cause getting ready is old news. I keep my old soul, you keep your old shoes. The streets I'm Pro Tools, heavenly no fools. To me, they so cool, but they don't know you. You cannot relate to the things we go through. The way we check out, the hoes we run to. If you talk to one, you get that one too. Get that one too. Ha.
My balls make niggas go, woo! That little nigga, there's the truth.